also convinced that respecting and protecting citizens' rights, including privacy.
Thank you, Chair. It's my great pleasure to address you today. I look forward to the days that we can address each other in the same room in person again. These are indeed historical times. If our health is not adversely affected by corona, our economies and societies certainly are. The world economy will suffer the worst years since the Great Depression. In the face of this unprecedented disruption, our global cooperation as G20 is imperative to save the lives and livelihoods alike. The world certainly looks to us to cooperate in a spirit of wisdom to return the world to a new normal. So we must deliver a constructive and result-oriented roadmap to emerge from this crisis. Additionally, we must design an international accountability mechanism for countries which behave irresponsible or non-transparent in such times. This crisis reminds us again that global order can only be sustained when we think and act in a collective, responsible manner. As we coordinate our action for the new normal, let me share a few of the efforts we have undertaken in Turkey. As a strong supporter of global solidarity, Turkey helped 55 countries by delivering them medical supplies, and we will continue to help our friends and allies to the best of our ability. Turkey's ability to achieve this became possible with the visionary leadership of His Excellency President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan. We have taken remarkable steps in the last 18 years to strengthen our infrastructure, especially in health and industry sectors. Turkey is hosting one of the best healthcare systems in the world. That is how we took action early on as the crisis emerged. First, we distinguished some of our hospitals as pandemic hospitals, then rapidly increased the capacity of our intensive care units. Let me take a brief note to highlight a great success story here. As you are all aware, many countries limited or stopped the export of medical goods to secure their needs. Turkey took a national emergency initiative to produce locally sourced ventilators with a 2-week deadline. Thanks to this effort, we can today allocate a respiratory device for nearly every intensive care bed in Turkey. Dear colleagues, we have been effectively using digital technologies to fight the pandemic. We have a pandemic tracking application. This app displays the exact status of the outbreak throughout the country and create risk maps with the help of machine learning algorithms. With their consent, individuals can also track their family, get access to social services, and even evaluate themselves for the virus with the help of detailed questions. We furthermore took a decisive action to ensure homeschooling and distance learning. We are using the internet and TV broadcasting at the same time to continue to educate our children. We have allocated free internet packages to all parents, which only be used to access the educational information network. Lastly, we launched the COVID-19 technology platform to coordinate R&D projects for the discovery of new drugs and vaccines. At this moment, this platform hosts 16 different projects, which, by the way, are mostly powered by digital technologies. We are employing big data search techniques, for instance, to identify drug candidates among thousands of molecules with the help of AI. We are also aware of the SME's role on the stability of the global supply chains. In line with this, we support Saudi's presidency's effort on developing a menu of policy options that will serve as a knowledge asset for all countries. In Turkey, we also support the SMEs to leverage digital technologies in their manufacturing and business models. and we would be happy to share our experiences with our friends here. On behalf of Turkey, we all commit to contributing our share in this global brotherhood to mitigate the harmful effects of this virus and bring us back to better times. Thank you and Ramadan Mubarak.